just going to show you the different way today. I am trying to cover everything what I was not able to cover yesterday, and I hope that you will enjoy, because today they are showing live dropping bomb ammunition and the old World War II planes, all everything they will see today. Now I will try to cover everything, but I was not able to cover. Today they are really amazing because there is live dropping bomb for the World War II aeroplanes, in which I was not able to show you. It's beautiful, like Wolf's buffer, which German was using this old. So they want to just show live to the public, and you will see the globe master and every which you saw yesterday, but this is live which is showing today dropping bomb. So it is amazing, the July 16th, and also the different view that you will see today, which I was not able to cover yesterday.